Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Serwaa Bonsu, and thank you so much for clicking my video to watch. So let's get right into the video. I'm going to start off with my Baby J hydrating rose water mist. Just going to spritz all over my face, and I'm going to with my Revolution super fruit extract. This feels really good on my skin, honestly. When I put it on my skin, it felt really, and it has this subtle glow to it. It almost reminds me of the what's it called, the MAC strobe cream. Yes, the strobe cream. It feels really good on the skin too. So I'm just massaging that in. Now I'm going in with my LA Girl brow kit. I'm just speeding through this side. If you want an updated brow tutorial, kindly let me know. Leave a comment down below and let me know. Conceal my brows. Now I'm using a brow mascara. I'm going in with my P. Louise base, and I'm just tapping that in. Now I'm going in with my Juvia's Place Nubian 2 palette. This is just showing you the colors I'm using and in the order I'm using them. So if you follow the order, there's the first, the second, and the third, and the fourth. So now I'm taking a dark shade, actually a matte black shade, just to give my crease some definition. I'm taking the same P. Louise base to cut my crease. This is the halo look, to cut just the center, and I'm applying a somewhat shimmer shade for my sleek palette. I'll leave that in the description box. Now I'm going in with my LA Girl illuminating foundation in the shade Coffee, and I really love the coverage of this. See how it just covered up my black marks. Now I'm taking my Revolution super size concealer in the shade C13, which is just a shade lighter than my skin. That's going to be my first concealer to conceal any darkness. Now I'm taking a lighter, or should I say a more brighter concealer that will go underneath my eyes. And I didn't put some on my nose, my forehead, and my chin because I feel like I'll have enough product to go all around. Now I'm taking my Too Faced Born This Way foundation in the shade Sable as my contour shade, going around the perimeter of my face. And now I'm blending it with my beauty blender. I'm contouring my nose, which is my favorite thing to do. So yes, now I'm taking the same brush I used to apply my foundation to go over my face. This is just to ensure I have a seamless blend. Now I'm taking my RCMA no color powder to lightly set the parts of my face that I highlighted. Now again, I'm going to bake with my Sacha Buttercup powder. This is the yellow one, not the Buttercup Light. I'm taking my Abby's face powder in the shade NC7 Coffee Glow as my all over face powder, and oh my god, I love this powder. The coverage is amazing. Is a dupe for the, I think, MAC Studio Fix. This Studio Fix, yeah, I think so. Okay, so after, I'm taking the same foundation brush. I'm not dusting off the powder, I'm just tapping it in. I'm taking my sleek face definer to contour my face. I'm taking the darker shade for the glow. You guys should know me by now that my favorite highlighter is the Maybelline Master Chrome in molten gold. Oh my goodness, look at that glow. Just oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. So someone introduced me to this Maybelline Master Fix spray, and I haven't put it down ever since. Oh my goodness. For lips, I've been loving this combination from SB Cosmetics. It's their lip gloss in Baby Doll, Mocha Princess, and a Baby Girl, in that order. The best combination ever. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is the finished look, and please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you get notified as and when I post. I love you guys, and never give up.